Hiya YouTubers, this is Superman G coming back at you one more again. As yet another Christmas season comes back around to us, it's time for another young Padawan's computer build. Since the build won't take place until Christmas, I'm going to show you what parts were selected to be installed. So here they are. First up, for the CPU, we'll use the Intel Core i5-10400 10th generation processor with built-in graphics. For the motherboard, we'll be using the Asus Prime Z590P. The case will be the Fractal Design Meshify C in white. This is a mid-tower case with a tempered glass side panel. The CPU cooler will be the Scythe Musion 5 air cooler. The memory we'll be using is the Corsair Vengeance RGB Pro 16GB DDR4 2666 MHz. Powering this build will be the EVGA 750W B5 80 Plus bronze power supply unit. The operating system drive, we've selected the Western Digital Blue 1TB NVMe drive. The storage drive will be the Crucial BX500 1TB SATA 2.5-inch SSD drive. And of course, Windows 10 will be the operating system. And there you have it. All the components that will be used in this year's upcoming holiday build. I'm sure this Padawan will learn well about how to build his first computer. Until then, be on the lookout for this amazing build. You all take care, be safe, and peace out.